Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable the frequently visited web pages from your Safari browser. So let me open my Safari browser, and once Safari browser opens, to disable the frequently visited website from the Safari browser, what you need to do is you just need to right click on the Safari browser and you will see this kind of list here. Here one option is show frequently visited. So if you just click on it once again, it's going to disable the frequently visited website. Once again, when you want to enable it, you can just check on this checkbox. So whatever options are enabled here, they will be visible, and whatever option doesn't have this check in front of them, they are disabled. So right now we have disabled the frequently visited website. If you want to disable this favorite section also, I can click on show favorite and it's going to disable that option also. To enable it, I can just click on it once again and this favorite option shows again. Similarly, I can do the same for frequently visited website, which is going to enable this. Right now, I don't have any frequently visited website. Now, this is the one way of hiding the frequently visited website. The other way can be when you open your Safari browser, you will see the Safari option at the top. So just click on this and then click on settings here, and then you will go to the general settings. By default, you can see Safari opens with the new window and it opens the start page by default. You can select the empty page. So let me just choose the empty page. So you can choose the empty page here and then empty page here. And then from the next time when I open a new tab or a new Safari window, it's going to open the empty page instead of this start page. So when I click on new page here, you can see it's going to open this empty page which doesn't show the start page at all. To revert back the setting, you can once again go to the Safari and then click on setting and then make it start page here, so that it's going to open the start page. So from here in the general section, you can customize your start page or customize what you want to see when you open a new Safari tab or when you open a new Safari window. So that's it for this video. This is how you can disable or turn off the frequently visited websites on your Safari browser. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.